I'm Peter Robertson from William Porches Properties. Welcome to Yarrabah. This is an absolutely stunning rural holding in Perth's foothills. 315 acres, 127 hectares in modern speak. We've got a main residence, a cottage, a studio, a workshop, a shed. We've got beautiful running streams, picturesque dams. We're an intersection of multiple valleys here on the shoulders of the Darling Scarp. We look back out to the coastal plain and the Indian Ocean beyond. We look back to the Perth city skyline in the distance. It is a stunning, picturesque property beyond compare, only about a 45-minute drive out of the city. Let's have a look around. Here we are in the main homestead of Yarrabah. This is a fantastic country retreat. It's so wholesome, it's homely, it's got the warmth of timber and stone. It looks out through these big windows back out across the valley. It is a beautiful, relaxed country retreat. The main homestead has got a few really good breakout areas. Here we are in one of the lounge rooms. This beautiful stone fireplace, I mean, it's an absolute work of art. We've got a double-sided fire down here that you can have open or closed. It's a really nice, relaxed atmosphere where you're going to really sit back and enjoy, take it all in, feel the rhythm of the countryside around you, and really get the most out of this special property. As far as main bedrooms go and places to keep back, relax, recharge, this really offers it all. Here we are on the corner of the building, a beautiful relaxed space looking into the garden. It is just absolutely amazing. We hear the birdsong outside in the morning. It is peaceful, it is tranquil, it is everything that a main bedroom in a country retreat should be. One of the key considerations when looking at a rural property, particularly in the hills of Perth, is water. Here we have a fantastic water supply. This is our head dam on the property, and it is fed by a beautiful stream, a natural stream coming out of the state forest behind us. From here it's captured, we reticulate it around the property, and it flows on through this creek line down through the rest. It's a fantastic attribute to have water of this quality and of this quantity in a Perth Hills property. Every farm needs a swimming hole like this one. This is absolutely fantastic. An abundant, big, clear, freshwater dam, rocks that you can jump off, a ramp that you can climb in and out of. The creek flows through it. It's deep, perfect for swimming in the summer months. You could probably stock it with some marron or some fish. It is a fantastic part of the property. Imagine a campfire over here, coming down here and enjoying nature at its absolute best. So that's it, folks. Yarrabah, 315 acres of spectacular, picturesque countryside up here in the Perth Hills. 5 titles, so much that you can do with this. Such a perfect lifestyle opportunity, so close to the city. The rolling green hills around us, the deep valleys, the creek lines, the water, the accommodation, it's all here. I really look forward to showing you through this property and over this property in person. Thank you.